Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Last time we learned how to make CCTV points, and also we learned how to put data and some other thing. So today we will continue with the next step. So you remember in my last video I put additional uh, one data outlet. Uh, so because this one is twin sockets, so it's contain data and telephone. So I connect only telephone, but I didn't connect the data. So let's connect the data. So you can choose the same IDF panel box. So when you give other panel, normally you can assign too many things, too many sockets like telephone, data, something like that. So let's go with the other sockets. Okay. So I can go here again, data. So no need to select the panel again, it will be selected automatically. You see it is selected. So for the easy way, you go here view and just use a reference. You call this system browser. I don't want to save now. So this system browser you will see here in electrical, this data is unassigned. See this one. So no need to go one by one, just select here. So it will become here data. That's all you have to do. No need to do too much work. Let's select again. Today my computer very slow. So you assign this one. So let's assign more sockets. All outlet. Okay. It's running. Select this one again. Why I am selecting one by one? If I select multiple, it will be group connector. So normally data will be single cable. And I hope you remember I told we can use Wi-Fi extender. And I remember after making the video, Wi-Fi extender, I believe it will connect directly to the Wi-Fi router. So you can make from the main Wi-Fi router one cable to the here to the data outlet, and you can use some small Wi-Fi router, which is cheapest one, only cover the room. So this one I hope Wi-Fi extender cannot connect. So let's say your Wi-Fi router is here, main Wi-Fi router here, and then the Wi-Fi is not reaching up to here. So you can pull the cable here up to here. Use cheapest router and cover this area. And also you see every data, this twin outlet I have telephone, you can use for the intercom. You can use for the intercom system. So let's say there is something on the side telephone, it's IDF panel. So if you click here, you see here data and power and telephone. If you go to the power, you will see this is unnamed. This is DB. Why unnamed? This DB have some connection incoming. So this is incoming, not feed it here. So when we are going with the project more, you will know. If I put one SMDB, it will show here the SMDB name. Otherwise, there is one video. We can remove this unname also. You check my video. So if you see a telephone, it's IDF panel. Also, you will see if data. Also have IDF panel. So I have already connected. Nothing balance. If there is a balance, it will show you here in the system browser. And same time, you will see here in this for the CCTV, I didn't provide any power outlet. You know why? because this one will work with power over it's a PoE switch, power over Ethernet switch. Because I am using this one IP camera no need power. So it will take power from the switch. So the data cable itself, it will provide the power. So power over Ethernet switch. So you don't need any power socket here. So in case of you are using PTZ camera, there's some specialized camera in the market. PTZ camera, let's close this browser. If you are using PTZ camera, you need power. There's some specialized PTZ camera also no need power. So directly data will connect here and it will work through the IP system. Let's solve this one, otherwise the pin item will be selected. So what's next? So the next thing is here. So I connected both are here IDF panel. I connected the telephone and data together. So there's another thing I have to do. Even you have a panel here, this panel also needs some power to work itself. There is some circuit inside, or the if you provide a switch here inside, also need power requirement. So there's the two option you can do. Either you can provide a spare outlet. So spare outlet, there's a two type, switched spare outlet, fused switched spare outlet. There is another one, unswitched fuse spare outlet. You can use this one of them. So if you use fuse, this is difficult to tell. Fused unswitched spare outlet, nobody can switch off or switch on. So there's one small chips you have to remove. There's some story I will tell you, show you in the Google. If you are a switch spare outlet, switch fuse spare outlet, you can on off. So normally the fire alarm control panel or IDF panel, this all have this kind of all we will use normally this kind of spare outlet. And there is some area, some projects they are using just a socket. So they will take one cable and put it in the socket. That's all. So it's depend on the design. So let's go to the Google. Let's close this one. Okay. So let's type here in the Google SPUR spare outlet. Actually not E coming. So let's power outlet. So this is the spare outlet. So this is one you see no switch, and this one have switch. You see this small box, it's a fuse. I believe it's a 5 milliampere switch, I think. Let's go for the image, we will check that one. I cannot see because it's a very light color. So normally I think it's 5 milliampere or 5 ampere, something like that. Let's go back to the all. Maybe they have mentioned in the, so maybe they will mention. So check in the description, so you will know how many ampere of fuse it is inside inbuilt. So I hope the viewer of my video already know the procedure of the drawings. So in the Revit, if you are a BIM modeler, you should know 3-4 things mainly. The first thing, LOD. Believe me, even I became a BIM modeler, period of time I don't know what is LOD. Seriously, I don't know. So LOD meaning level of development. So BIM, building information management. You check Google also, building information management. And what is BIM? You can type what is BIM. What is BIM? So you check what is BIM. So building information modeling. There's some people tell like building information management. Actually, this is the correct meaning. That's why I doubted. I go to the Google. This is the correct way, building information modeling. And some people says management, but this is the correct one. So if you see here, LOD it's divided by 5, but some area you will see it is divided by 6, 7, 8. They go something like that. And if you go LOD or level of development, LOD BIM, yeah, it's here. So there is a level of development, the main one. So this is the level of development LOD in building information modeling, BIM. So you can check this one. So if you go to the image, there is a starting from LOD 100, 200, 300 and 400, 500. This is the main 5, this thing. So you see here 100, 200, 300. They put another one 350. So here you are seeing 6. So some area they have more. For example, where I can show you. So here all 6. I saw there is one Google image. They have more than 6. Okay, check in the Google. Maybe if you find your check in the Google. So I think I saw somewhere here. It's one, 1, 2, 3. It's this up to 7. So let's click this one. Let's check what is this. Yeah, maybe this 7 is something different. Normally we use only 5. Some people go with the 6, 350 something, and so let's we stay in the 5. So LOD 100 meaning the sketch level, the sketch designing. LOD 200 it's a tendering level. So from the sketch they will develop up to level. Tendering level means they will make the design to, and they will distribute this design for the two people make tendering. Then after the tendering, LOD 200, LOD 300, it is IFC, issued for construction. That means they will give it to you. You can build the building. So then LOD 300, it will go for the LOD 400. It is shop drawing, meaning actually what we do, we take from the LOD 300 IFC drawing and we make some modeling. So if you go LOD 300, maybe you will not find some missing detail like how to take conduit or how to install the level, top of level, too many missing level. So we will prepare a drawing the people who can work in the site. This is general understanding. It's called shop drawing. Then LOD 500, it's as built. After finishing the project, what we did, we will make a modeling. Same, it's called LOD 500. So this one you have to know if you are being a BIM modeler. So now we have all the outlet. So what we will do extra, we will model one isolator. Why we need isolator? because we have split unit here. Okay, that's why we provided one flex outlet, one DP switch. So there will be outdoor unit above the roof or ground floor outside of the house. So this uh, outdoor unit need power. So we normally provide 20 ampere isolator single phase. So if you go to the Google, just type split unit. Yeah, you can go for the wiring diagram or leave installation. Installation detail. So in this installing the split unit, there is too many ways. Sometime it will go first to the isolator, and from isolator to DP switch, from DP switch to flex outlet, from flex outlet to indoor unit. This is one way, and there's some other way also. You can check the diagram. So if you go to the split unit installation detail, you will know this one, say this everything, and you will understand. So why we are providing isolator for the outdoor unit? In case of maintenance, we will switch off the isolator and we can do, after we finish, we can switch on. So let's see how to model an isolator. So isolator also I will show you how it will look like if you are not known what is isolator. So let's type isolator. And also it will be IP65. IP65 meaning weatherproof. I am talking about isolator, this one. This one also called isolator, but I am talking about this one. So actually this is 32 amp. This one. This is also isolator. So let's type isolator for split unit. So something like this. We have wiring diagram also. So it's YouTube video, I think. You can check. So this is the isolator. So let's make an isolator. Okay. So this time I don't want to make a face base, or we will make face base. Yeah, it should be face base also. But here let's go file, new, family. So if you make face base, you can use in the wall also. So let's go with the face base. Generic model, face based. Yeah, it's okay. Open. Okay, it's opening. Okay, it's open. So you know the drill, just go for the extrude. So let's select this one. Let's make a box. Yeah, we will go with this one. And let's make this one little bigger. 160. Yeah, it's almost that size. So later we will modify, we will go for this one, we will go for 75 because this one not have any back box. So let's make apply. So let's finish it. I will not do too much. I will not do too much detailing. I will just go for the regular one. So no need to do too much details. So let's go this one and just go for this. But if you wish to do too much detailing, it's your choice. Let's make another one. Let's let it keep 75. We can control later. Then let's go create another thing. So let's go for this one. So I think this is enough. Okay, let's go for the left or right, whatever you like. So I think this is the rectangular. So let's make little up, and don't keep like this in the clash detection, it will be affect you. So try to do like this and make some lock. And this one we will go up, and this one here also lock. So if you go to 3D, it's look like this. It should be look like isolator, no need to additional modify, because we are not working on the 3D software like 3D Max something. This is just to show. The important is size. So you check as per the material submittal. Generally, if you are working in the construction project, they have material submittal. Check their material submittal, model number, manufacturer, and size, everything available. You have to make like that. And if they request you to put the model number or manufacturer, everything, you can make a parameter, and you know how to make parameter. Go here and new. So you can make here a text parameter, and you can type whatever you want here. So I think I go edit. This is new. So you can make. So always make instance, maybe same isolator. You have different 2-3 model, maybe ampere change. So instance you can put a different value. So let's cancel this one for now. So let's add the connector. So just electrical connector, click it here, and don't forget to add this one, electrical fixtures. Okay, so let's make okay. This one, okay, this one has to be voltage. Let's make, I don't remember, I put 230 or 240, so let's assign a parameter. Let's make volt. So keep it instance. I will tell you why, because if you are using, you can use same isolator for the repairs also. So let's make okay. So here you see number of pole, also we put, if single phase you will use single one pole, 3 phase you can put 3 pole. So let's put number of pole. Don't forget to click instance. Also okay. So the classification, load classification is very important. I will make another separate video for the load classification. So also instance, let's put LCS. Okay. So what else? That's all. Okay. Now the main thing, don't forget to check this one, otherwise symbol will not display. So go to the reference plan. Let's save this one. So we will put isolator. Save. So we will go for the new file and new annotation and symbol. So generic uh, let me check, maybe I'm in the wrong. Yeah, here annotation, generic annotation, open. So let's delete this one. So let's create a symbol, line, box. It's very easy symbol. No need to suffer like CCTV, because CCTV too much. Just move it, MV. Okay. Now we will make one line just like this. Okay. Now we will make smaller because no need this much. Scale. I can go for the numeric 0.3. Okay. So let's add one label to indicate the amperage. So just click it here. So let's go for the new. So this one we can go for the text and also instance, and here we'll put amp. So let's press OK, and this one. Okay. So let's arrange this one. Edit. We don't need border, so let's go for the 0. And also I need this one, and let's make OK. So it's very big. Okay. Oh, undo. MV. So I need another one. Maybe we can continue in this one text. No need another one. Load into project. And this one I need isolator. Okay. No, I don't want to change. So let's keep like this. So here you see, when you click the symbol, you see the amp is blank. It will not visible here. So here you have to assign a parameter like new instance. So let's type amp. I think it will come. Okay. Okay. So let's load and close. So do you want to save? Yes. Sorry, I forget. I am in video. My bad habit. So let's save. So we have already split unit here, so we can place our isolator. I think you check in the outdoor unit in the power supply, it's right side or left side. Also the indoor you have to check. This one also material submitter. So now I am going to keep here outside, so let's clip it here somewhere. So I have to do some additional changes because see here this isolator 3D point is visible. So let's click again, edit family. So yeah, click this one, visibility setting. So let's remove this one. Okay, and also this one, visibility setting. Let's remove this. Okay, and this one, visibility setting. This one. Okay. So there is another issue. So the symbol what I make here, this symbols is belongs to single page. So three page there will be a different symbol. Maybe some line like that it will come. So we can do two option. Like you click this one, edit family. So now here family key generic annotation. Actually this one we have to save as and bring back. So there will be two symbol, and what will happen, you can choose visible parameter. So if you are using a single page, this will be visible. If you are using three page, this will be visible, something like that. So if you are doing like that, there's many things to do, settings, too many things, like too many options. So this one we will go for the later. Now what I am planning here, just we will put one line, only one parameter visible, finish. But don't worry, I will teach you the other thing also. So let's click this one. So if you click here, you see here visible. So let's click this one on the new. Let's put 3p. I hope this will work. Let's make instance. Let's go for the common. Yes, visibility, not common visibility. So it's a yes, no, no. Okay. Okay. So let's load into project. So go for the isolator. Just this one I am checking. I didn't do before like this, but I am checking. Maybe it will work. Uh, Otherwise we will go for the other option, or if this one work, that one I will teach you everything detailing in another video, because this one should be learned separately. It's better. So no. So overwrite the existing baseline parameter. So here if you click, you will see here 3P. So if I remove here, apply, this gone. If I click this one, apply, it will come. But the problem, this one will not come in the project. So we have to assign another one here. Again, 3P. 3P. So let's make visibility. Okay. So when you making 3P this one, you should keep in your mind that you have to give 3 poles and 440 volt, everything you have to update. But if you do in other way, which I am going to make a new separate video, this one no need, just click and select in the list, it will change everything. You can do that one also. That one we will make separate video. It will take another 20 minutes something. So we will go that one in another video. Don't worry, I will make everything. So load into project. Do you want to save the change oscillator? Yes, I want to change. Yes. It's loading. It's take little time. Override existing version parameter, and you will see this 3D will be disappear. And you will see this line. So click this one. So you will see here 3P. Just remove this one because I am going to use single piece. So here you can click LCS. I have other, this one amp 20 ampere, SP, we can put slash SP slash IP 65, enter and apply. So this is what we want. So I have to do something. Let's go for the edit family. Reference. Maybe I can make this text bigger up to here, or I can go for the second line. So better for going second line. So yeah, just close. Let's check if it's going second line for or not before we are changing something. So let's click this one. Let's go for this. Enter. No, maybe space will work. Yeah, space is working. So let's go for the space again here. So 20 ampere. Then I don't need this one. And I don't need this one. Always try to do easy work. Don't make your work very hard. So it's okay, 20 ampere. So this SP, there's another thing. There is a SP, SPN. So if you boot SPN, this one will disconnect the pole and same time the neutral. This is very highly security. SP is only disconnect the phase, but it will not disconnect the neutral point. So better we will go for the SPN. So it will be a double pole. So we will go for the SPN. Okay. Now let's click this one. You have two options, CS and or copy. So let's put where this other. So here one. This one we can go for here. Yes. And here I can go for here. And where else? Yeah. So I need here two because there is a dining. Okay. Now the big problem. Always I am telling problem. Select this isolator. Right click. Select all instance. You can go for visible in view. So the default, this one, I think 600 is enough. Little higher, apply. So the elevation will be changed. So this one, right click, select all instance, visible in view. This one will go 2500. Yeah, 2200 we will go. And remember, this is not fixed because as per the design, it can be changed. So this all, I think this one also almost to okay. This is okay. So socket 450. So this is not okay. Yeah, it's already 450. Escape. So what else? Yeah, this guy. Data outlet. Select all instance, visible in view. Let's check how much installation height. It's also I need 2200. It's near. Okay. So it's done. So what else? We will make another video because this is small house. Normally every system will not come, but because I am putting mentioning everything in the small house to the learning papers. If I make one big building and I am making too many things, it will take very long time, and this is for the learning period purpose. So what you are learning in the small building, you can apply for the big building also. So in the next video, I will teach you how to make access control. system, so I will put some access control here, then some additional panel. Still I didn't add spare outlet, I will just put the spare outlet also. So we will apply everything, then I need to put some cable trays to take all the cable tray up to DB, and we have underground duct. And also I am planning to make this copy, this villa, multiple villa, and provide SMDB, external manhole, and one substation, everything. So don't see my videos in middle, so you will be confused. So if you are new, if you are viewing my this video first time, go with one by one, first, second, third, so you will be understand. So this one, I believe it will come in the system browser. So no, not yet come. Has coming here already. Sometime it will not show, so just close and open. Sometime even not show also, but sometime very fast. So it's I don't know why it's the Revit error. Sometime when we are working, what to do? What we used to do, we close everything and we re-on, then the problem will be solved. We was having one issue, like one mechanical pipe. It's not visible, and we did everything what we know, everything, still not coming. Then we close the Revit and reopen, it's coming. So we don't understand why that's happening like that. So let's and the main thing, we need to make some workset also. We will go, because we cannot keep all the system in one layer. So power separate, telephone data separate, CCTV separate, everything. And also I am planning to do some mechanical system also. So we will go one by one. So let's add power here. So it's asking how many. It's single pole. You can make keep it one, and there's the voltage. So 230. So you remember I make some parameter. Why this one asking this? Because I didn't give anything. Just see here 0, and number of volts coming 1 automatically. So it's 0. That's why it's asking. So you can give OK, because 230 is here. Oh, still applying. I thought it is stuck. We cannot believe it was always save. See, stuck. Would you like to save a recovery file? Yes. Save. I am praying everything should become, otherwise I have to do everything from the beginning. Okay, let's see. If it is coming, I will show you. If it is not come, nothing. Just assign this one. That's all. I will make the rest in the next video. And save. So keep saving every time. One time it's happened to us also. We finish small, almost some thing, and it is closed. So let's open. I believe it will open. I save in desktop. So it's also good. Why? Because this one already I save in the central model. So in case of this issue, you should go with the detach. So it's good. The error also for good. So here you have to make all. Then open. So here you have to give detach and preserve workset. Don't give detach and discard, the whole workset will be go. So detach first. Preserve workset. Let it open. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Everything here. So this one open manage link. So this one not found. Now I have to search this drawing. Reload from. It's in the D folder. I Actually, I forget where I saved. I think in the class. No. Maybe desktop file. Revit class. Yes, here it is. So don't forget to make all open. Okay, it's not coming here. Yeah, because we are making reload, right? Open. So it's coming. And there was one small complaint from one of my friend who viewed my video. The sound is very less. I don't used to speak in high voice, and I think I have some issue with my headphone. I have to change. But when you are viewing my video, please use headphone or headset or anything. If you have speaker, you can get good volume. Sometime I speak a very small voice. Inshallah, I will try to fix very fast. Okay. So here already come. So let's go for the view system browser. So again I will go here. I believe it will be no problem again. So let's click power. So let's okay. Yeah. And you see here it's not connected. How I will know? See this one unnamed and this is panel none. So I have to select the panel first. Okay, now it's gone inside. So you will see the isolator inside. So now the only face you have to give, the second one I think it will go automatically, except this. The panel you don't have to give. Yes. Connect. Okay. I used to review some BIM modeling. The people who work, other people I used to check. They make some Alibaba work. Alibaba meaning we used to tell Alibaba. That meaning their work is not good. This is Alibaba, we told you. We used to tell like Alibaba. What they do, instead of assigning the devices, they just remove the connector. So if you see in the system browser, it will be a 0. This is not good work. Even you don't have a panel, just put one junction box, assign everything to the junction box. That's the good work. And also the load classification very important. You have to fix everything. So maximum do a good work. So it's everything done here. So the mechanical equipment I will put it later, and I hope you understand everything. So here I am not using any 3-piece, and inshallah if I want to put this isolator in the roof, I need to make one support family. If I start to make support family now, it will take more time. It will go over 2 hours. So in my series of video, when I am going one by one, I will show you how to make supports, some different kind of family, how to use in our project. So up to now we learned too many things. Keep practice. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe. If you have any issue, just comment. I will try to fix. Inshallah, I am planning to come in a live in YouTube, and if I am coming in live, I will put it one day before, just a message in the YouTube, so you can ask me anything. Anything meaning not everything, just related to BIM modeling and electrical things and AutoCAD and something. So I can answer for you, and you can ask me some related to construction. I can help you. related to construction. And I know some graphical software, 3D software also. Maybe I can advise you. And also, if you need to choose the field, let's say new, you are struggling to choose the field, and if you want to understand the field also, I can explain you. Let's meet. Inshallah, one day I will plan to come in live. So up to now, up to then, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.